Welcome to our YouTube channel Chef Buddy.
Today, as it is weekend, I would like to show how I make biryani, vegetable biryani. We can also call it as paneer biryani because I am adding more paneer. The ingredients required for this biryani are tomato, bay leaf, biryani leaf, salt, turmeric. This fried bread we will add in the last to the biryani. Biryani masala, lemon, fresh cream, garlic, potato. I already boiled that potato and chopped into pieces. Finely chopped ginger, jeera, cashew, cardamom and clove, pudina paste, coriander powder, green chilies, capsicum, carrot finely chopped, paneer pieces. Now take kadai on the stove and add ghee. Now add jeera, clove, biryani leaf, garlic, ginger, green chilies, capsicum, cashew, little salt, now let us mix all the ingredients. I can smell ghee and the masalas flavors. Now cardamom, which we didn't add before, just open it and add. Now it's time to add carrot. Mix again. Mix all the ingredients properly and leave it for 5 minutes. Now it's time to add tomatoes. Pudina paste, which we made with pudina leaves, coriander leaves, green chilies and salt. Then coriander powder, turmeric. Now mix all these well and again let them fry for 5 more minutes. As tomatoes are soft, we are adding them in the last because they get cooked very quickly. If you feel you need to add some more ghee, you add now, because that pudina paste should get fried without sticking to the kadai. I am adding 1 spoon of ghee now. Cook nicely. Can you see the mixture? Very colorful, and also it is smelling very good. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Let us see how much it is cooked. Yeah, almost it looks good. Let us add those boiled potato pieces and also paneer. I boil those potatoes because it will take a lot of time to get cooked. I boiled and I chopped them into pieces, and I am adding directly to the biryani mixture. Now let us add paneer. Let us mix everything now. Let it cook for 2 more minutes. Now add biryani masala of 2 spoons. Now mix again. See, this is ready almost. 2 steps to go. That's it. Mix well and let it again cook for 2 more minutes. Now the masala is almost ready. Let us add little fresh cream. This enhances the taste of the biryani. Actually, this I don't know before. I learned from my neighborhood auntie, which she showed to me, which made biryani more tasty. From then I am also adding this fresh cream to biryani whenever I made it. Let us mix it. Now this mixture is ready. Let us add this mixture to the half cooked rice. Now to this half cooked rice, almost cooked but little more to cook. Then at this time you add this biryani masala to rice. Now mix like this. See, little moisture, little water is there. That is enough to get mixed well. Now close the lid and leave it for 5 minutes. The biryani will be ready. We will serve, garnish with fried bread, lemon and also some green leaves, coriander or mint leaves, whatever you have. Now the biryani is ready and hot. Let us add lemon. Now mix it. No need of mixing from down. Now garnish with this fried bread. Now garnish with green leaves. Yeah, biryani is ready now. You can eat with your family and enjoy the taste. Now let us make raita for biryani as a side dish. For that we need finely chopped onion, kheera, green chilies, and I also added salt to this. Now let us add curd to finish it. Now mix this well. Raita is ready. Enjoy with raita biryani. It really tastes yummy, delicious, and thank you for watching this video.
Please like, share and subscribe our channel.